Imagine placing a small magnet under a piece of paper, then sprinkling tiny fillings top. Suddenly, the fillings arrange themselves into beautiful curved patterns. But here's the mystery. What is guiding them? You cannot see it or cannot touch it, yet it is there. This invisible force surrounding the magnet is called a magnetic field. And today we are going to uncover how it works, how magnets are important in our daily life, and some amazing facts about magnets that may surprise you. What is a magnet? A magnet is an object that produces a force that can attract certain metals, especially iron. Magnets have two ends called North Pole and South Pole. One interesting thing about magnets is this: opposite poles attract each other, same poles repels each other. So if North Pole plus South Pole attract, then North Pole plus South plus North Pole repel. This simple rule controls many magnetic interactions in the universe. What is a magnetic field? Around every magnet, there is an invisible region of force called magnetic field. This field is where the magnet can affect other magnetic objects. The magnetic field is strongest near the poles of the magnet. Scientists often draw magnetic field as curved lines called magnetic field lines. These lines start from the North Pole, move through space, enter the South Pole. Even though we cannot see magnetic with our eyes, we can observe them using iron film or a compass. This is one of the most beautiful experiments in physics. So now, one of the magnetic field experiments that you can try at your home is to take the magnet, place it under a sheet of paper, sprinkle iron fillings on the paper, tap the paper gently, then you will find the iron fillings forming curved patterns around the magnet. What you are seeing is visual representation of the magnetic field line. It is like revealing the hidden map around the magnet. Types of magnetic field, or types of magnets rather. There are different types of magnets. We have number one, permanent magnet. These magnets always produce a magnetic field. Examples include bar magnets, refrigerator magnets. They remain magnetic for a long time. Number two, temporary magnet. These materials only become magnetic when placed near a magnet. Only the magnet is removed. They lose their magnetism once the magnet is being removed. The third one is electromagnets. Electromagnets are magnets created using electric current. When electricity flows through a wire coil, it produces a magnet. Electromagnets are very important in modern technology. Importance of magnets in everyday life. Magnets are more important than most people realize. They are used in many devices we use every day. Navigation, compass. The earth itself behaves like a giant magnet. A compass needle aligned with Earth's magnetic field and points north. This helps travelers and sailors know their direction. The second reason why magnet is important is electric motors. Magnets are used in electric motors, and they are found in fans, washing machine, electric cars, blender, and without a magnet many machines would not work. It's also used in speaker and headphones. Magnets helps convert electrical signals into sounds. This is how your phone speakers and headphones produces music. MRI machines in hospital. Hospitals use powerful magnets in MRI scanners. These machines allow doctors to see inside the human body without surgery. Data storage. Magnets are used in hard drives and magnetic storage devices to store information. This means magnets help store digital data. Amazing facts about magnets. Now let's look at some mind-blowing facts about magnets. Amazing fact 1. If you cut a magnet in half, you do not get a single pole. Instead, each piece becomes a new magnet with its own north and south pole. Science have never found a single magnet pole alone. Amazing fact 2. The Earth is a giant magnet. Its magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation from the sun. Without this magnetic field, life on Earth would be very different and difficult. Amazing fact 3. Some animals can sense electromagnetic field. Birds, sea turtles, and some fish use it for navigation when migrating. They have a natural internal compass. Amazing fact 4. Magnets can walk through some materials. For example, magnets can attract iron through paper, plastic, and tin wood. Amazing fact 5. The strongest magnets in the world are called neodymium. neodymium magnets. These magnets are extremely powerful and used in advanced technology. Why magnetic fields are important in physics? Magnetic fields are part of a larger concept called electromagnetism. Electricity and magnetism are closely connected. When electricity flows, it creates a magnetic field, and changing magnetic field can produce electricity. This principle is used in generators, which produce electricity for cities. So the power that lights homes often comes from magnetic field and generators working together. In conclusion, even though we cannot see them, magnetic fields are everywhere. They guide compasses across oceans. They power motors and machines. They help doctors see inside the human body. And they even protect our planet from dangerous radiations from the sun. So the next time you see a simple magnet, remember you are holding a small object with an invisible force field around it, one that plays a huge role in science and technology. Magnets may look simple, but their power is truly extraordinary. Do also subscribe for more videos.